How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Rabbit Transit Garage. It is about 11 o'clock on Friday night, and here's Right with the Dart. Intake's on, carb is rebuilt. I still have to make 2 points of contact here, but I want to hear this son of a gun run. Valve covers are on, and I got some hard to find Mopar bling to match my fancy valve covers. I got the base plate from Mancini Racing because all I did was buy the lid. This is actually, it's a 13-inch air cleaner, and this is the same base plate that's used on unsilenced Mopar air cleaners as well. And it is a drop base, so my hood clearance issue is gone. So I don't have to cut a hole in the hood. I'm a little sad about that, I think. It's not a have to anymore. And as I mentioned before, we got the fuel line, got fuel pressure, replaced one of the heater hoses. They did not have this in stock at the parts store. 5/8 heater hose. Was sick. So, all right. So let's see if she fires. Pardon me if the camera's a little jerky. I'm a little excited to hear it run again. Battery's low, so we're gonna jump start it. Jason's in there right now.
Ready?
Give her. I think I'm gonna need to put a starter in it too.
Rick.
Timing has not been set. Obviously, since it's running, I just dropped it in the hole close to where it was. Give her a little more. Oh, wait a minute. Hang on.
In the holes in the back for PCD.
Yeah. But I think it's blowing out of the vent. Hang on. Do it again. Hard to tell if that's. Oh yeah, that's gas. I think it's coming out of the float. I need a rag. Where'd you put that rag? Let me go get a rag. Ready? Now we're ready. For a little more. So stop the camera. I had to pull the carb back off. Accelerator pump was leaking, or the gasket was leaking. So I didn't see any reason for it to leak, but I basically took it off, turned it around, sealed it back up, and at least it's sealed up momentarily. So the rear one wasn't leaking. Almost thought the bowl was leaking, but it was not. It was just the diaphragm here. So I ended up having a little coolant leak. My thermostat housing's leaking at the base. And yeah, so we'll get her running again and see what we got. Well, it's alive. Needs to finish doing it, and it's alive. Oh, that could have something to do with it. Ah, the shimmer's loose. Apparently I forgot to tighten that.
Oh, jeez. You don't love it.
Yeah, sure runs a lot better now.
Why would you do that?
Alright, that's a little better. Tighten down the distributor. Just set it by ear, didn't put a light on it, but we'll bring it back here. Give her a little bit. That's better.
A little bit.
She's a happy old girl. So we'll get her tuned up and set the timing, all that other fun stuff. This is still the same plugs that are in there 10, 15 years ago. They actually looked really good. Well, considering, anyway. So, on that note, have a great day. Like, share, subscribe, and the dirt runs good. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.